Welcome back, kids. Today we will draw a train. So let's start. First, draw the wheel of the train. Draw a circle. Then draw another circle inside it. Good job. Now draw another wheel. Do the same thing. First, draw a big circle. Then draw a small circle inside it. Well done, it's looking very beautiful. Now draw a line and connect the wheel. Now draw a big line, like this. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Now connect the line with a curved line. Just draw like me. Now draw a line from the middle. Good job. Now draw another line and connect it. Now let's draw the roof. Draw a line, then make curve. Draw like a pole. Well done, look how cute it's looking. Now let's draw the steam pipe. Draw a flat oval. Now draw two lines. And it's done. Make a window on train. Draw two lines, like this. Then draw a curved line and connect with the line. Good job, we complete the train drawing. Now let's draw the baggie. First draw a circle, then draw another circle inside it. We are making wheel. Draw two wheels on the baggie. Good job, now draw a line and connect the wheel. Make it a box. Draw two lines on both sides, like this. Now draw a line and connect with the line. Make a curve, the draw line. Look, we complete the buggy. Now join the baggie with train. Well done, we complete the drawing. Let's color it. First, use blue color and color the train. Color the front part of train. Color the outline, then slowly fill the color. You can also use different colors you like. Use different colors and make your own creativity. Color the back part and it will look very beautiful. Look, we almost color beef train. Color the upper part of the train. Don't color outside the outline. Good job, it's looking very beautiful. Now use dark blue color and color the baggie.
If
you color the outline first, then you will not make any mistake. Slowly fill the color, and don't make any mistake. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my kid cartoon channel. Look how cute it's looking. Now use orange color and color the steam pipe. Just follow me and it will look very beautiful. Color also on the train roof. Color only inside the line. Lastly, color on the baggie. Do the same thing and color on the join part also. Good job, it's looking very pretty. Now use black color and color on the train wheels. Only color on the outside. You can also use brown color to make it different. Color the baggie wheel also. Use different colors and make your own creativity. Lastly, color the steam pipe circle. Well done, now use gray color and color inside the wheel. Color all the wheels inside. Wow, it's looking very beautiful. Lastly, use sky blue color on the train window. Do the same thing. Color the outline. Then slowly fill the color. To make it more shiny, use white color and draw some line. First draw line on window. Just draw like me and it's done. Also use white color on wheels. Make some small curved line. Well done, we complete the drawing. Look, our choo-choo train is complete. Look how speed is running. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my kid cartoon channel.